Alright, hello everyone. Welcome to Bedroom Fire Alarm Test 27. As you can see just by looking at the panel, I changed the banner back to the default one. So it says Intellinite Model 5820XL. So yeah, that's a little change I made there. So let's go ahead and look at all devices. Some of them are pretty unique, so let's have a look. Starting at the pull stations, you can see on the left we have my Siemens MSM-K-WP, which has shown up in a few tests in the past, so nothing new there. On the right is this Spectronics SBNG1R, and what you'll find is that these pull stations do match the notification appliances just a little bit. So let's go take a look at those. For the notification appliances, on the left you can see we have what looks like a Siemens UMCS strobe, but what's different about it is that you can see, if I zoom in, it's relabeled by FCI, which is pretty unique. So this is a FCI ST-R strobe. It is set on 15 candela, and it's a very unique device. I believe I'm the only one who has this particular rebrand of it, so I think that's pretty cool. And on the right we have, kind of hard to see in there, but that is a Spectronics rebrand of a Simplex 2901-9806, which is really cool. I got that from Jake, also known as Kansas Fire Alarms, so thank you for that. So, smoke detectors, I put the i3 in the conventional spot, 2WB. Addressable ones are obviously the same. So let's get started. Alright, I think since we saw the Siemens pull station pretty recently, we'll just do the Spectronics one for today, and we'll do the i3. Here we go. We obviously have audible silence, like I almost always do. So now we're going to move on to the i3. Alright, for the i3, instead of using the little test button, we're actually going to smoke it out. That should be plenty. There it is. And a little trick that I do is to speed up the process of the smoke clearing. I did turn on my ceiling fan. So we're going to go reset the Spectronics pull station while we wait for the smoke to clear out. Alright, this pull station resets just like any other BG8. As you can see, right in there, it'll focus. There you can see it, but it's a SBNG1R, so it's a Notifier BNG1R rebrand. So it does take the notifier key, which goes in, you turn it, close it and put the key back, and you are reset. So I'm going to give it another minute for the smoke to clear out of the i3, and then we'll reset the system. Alright, so now we'll go ahead and reset the entire system. So that is the end of today's video. As always, thank you for watching. Be sure to check out my Groupme and eBay. Both those links are in my description. Thank you and have a great day.